Hello class, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be doing problem set 3, question number 20. It's y equals 2x minus 5 over x squared plus 4 to the third. So our goal is to find y prime. So the first formula that we're going to be using is the chain rule, which is f prime times u prime. So what I did in order to make this problem a lot easier was separate the fraction. So I did 2x minus 5, and the u prime of that would be 2. And then x squared plus 4 to the third, the u prime of that would be 3u squared, and then just ignore this, I just added that from there. So it's just 3u squared. So we're going to substitute u back in. And then that would be 3 times x squared plus 4 to the second times 2x. Now we're going to try to simplify this, and that would end up being 6x times x squared plus 4 to the second. And then I started using the quotient rule, which would be y prime equals u prime times v minus u times v prime over v squared. So remember that this is u and this is v, okay? So that equals, it looks really long and scary, but once we simplify it, it gets easier. So that equals 2 times x squared plus 4 to the third minus 6x times x squared plus 4 squared times 2x minus 5 all over x squared plus 4 to the sixth. Now the reason why it's the sixth is because if you look up here, it's x squared plus 4 to the third, and then when you do 3 times 2 right here, that equals 6. So I just did it like that to make it easier. And then we're going to factor out this. So when you factor 2 times x squared plus 4 to the third, I did it 2 times x squared plus 4 to the second times x squared plus 4. The reason why I did this is that so in the end we can just cancel out one of those and just leave it to 2x squared plus 4. And then for the other problem, I'm showing you how I got the 6x, and that's from the 2 over here. So it's 3 times 2. Remember that negative sign right there. So it's negative 3 times 2, x squared plus 4x times x minus 5x plus 2. And then we're going to factor out any common terms that we have. So it's x squared plus 4 minus 3x minus 5 plus 2x. So we're going to take this, and that would equal 15x minus 6x squared. We're going to plug it back in, so x squared plus 4 plus 15x minus 6x squared. Get all those common terms out. That'll turn into negative 5x squared plus 15x plus 4. Now we're going to put it back into the quotient rule, okay? So then it would be 2 times x squared plus 4 squared minus 5x squared plus 15x plus 4 all over x squared plus 4 to the sixth. Now, doesn't it look like we have some common factors? Don't we want to clean it up a little bit? So what can we cancel out to make the problem cleaner? We're going to cancel out the x squared plus 4 squared and the x squared plus 4 to the sixth. And that'll give us our final answer of y prime is equal to 2 times negative 5x squared plus 15x plus 4 all over x squared plus 4 to the fourth.